Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we learn how to filter out specific elements from an array based on specified values. This is a common task when cleaning up data or removing unwanted entries from a dataset. Let's get started. The goal is simple. Given an array and a list of values, we want to remove those values from the array. For instance, if you start with 2, 1, 2, 3 and want to remove 1 and 2, the resulting array should be 3. We'll achieve this using JavaScript array methods like includes and filter. Here's the JavaScript function. The function takes an array and a list of values to exclude. The filter method iterates through the array and keeps elements that are not included in args. The result is a new array that excludes the specified values. It is efficient and concise. Here's how the program works step by step. First, it takes the input array and a list of values to exclude. For each element in the array, it checks if it exists in the exclusion list using the include method. If it is not in the list, the element is retained, otherwise it is removed. Finally, the function returns a new array with only the desired values. Here are some examples. For 2, 1, 2, 3 and excluding 1 and 2, the result is 3. For the same array but excluding 3, the result is 2 and 2. This demonstrates how the function dynamically adjusts based on the provided exclusion list. Filtering out specific elements is a versatile operation. It is widely useful cleaning data by removing unwanted or duplicate entries, dynamically adjusting options in a list based on user input, and creating customized subsets for further analysis or display. In summary, this program efficiently removes specified elements from an array using the power of JavaScript's filter and includes method. It's simple yet powerful for a variety of real-world tasks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.